It's a perfect summer evening on June 23rd, 2022, and we're on the Lake State Railway in Saginaw, Michigan. Tonight, we will be chasing the Lake State local Y119 as they go between Saginaw and Flint. But first, a pair of SD70Ms must be removed from the train and sent back into the yard. These two SD70Ms were two of the newest units on the Lake State roster. They were both painted in the railroad's attractive corporate paint scheme with a deep blue and light gray and white highlights. Once the SD70Ms are out of the way, the Y119 power set and crew will come down to their train. Almost as soon as the SD70Ms cleared, the Y119's power and crew came out of the yard. For their power tonight, we had a pair of XCSX SD50-2s and a GP38-2 tagging along for the ride to Flint. These three units wear three different variations of the Lake State paint scheme. The first unit wears what is essentially a patched out CSX paint job where the yellow has been replaced with white and Lake State logos are on the nose, as well as the print of the company name on the side of the unit. The second SD50 is in the most current scheme that the Lake State uses, a very attractive deep blue and light gray scheme. The GP38-2 is in one of LSRC's oldest schemes, which includes a pair of white stripes on the long hood and a logo on the flank. After pulling down for headroom, the trio of engines would back onto their cut. We would watch them make this move as they prepared to depart Saginaw Yard southbound. The Lake State Railway was founded in 1992 and took over a majority of Detroit and Mackinac as well as Michigan Central trackage. The railroad is headquartered in Saginaw, Michigan and operates the Detroit and Mackinac up the east side of the state and the old New York Central up the center. They have become a growing short line in the state of Michigan, hauling more freight and expanding year after year. This has resulted in the railroad purchasing larger second-hand locomotives like the SD50-2s and SD70Ms. As we watch the tail end roll by, we will head to our next shot in Bridgeport, Michigan. The empty rail train on the rear of this cut would be dropped off in the Saginaw yard before the train departed for Flint. At Bridgeport, we would catch the train crossing over the Cass River as they continued rolling south. Our next stop on the chase was Birch Run, Michigan. Here, at the south end of the siding, we see a signal with a combination of old and new heads. In our final filming location, we see the train crawling through Mount Morris, Michigan. At Mount Morris, they have slowed down to enter the Flint yard and start their process of dropping their train. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe for future Michigan Shortline action.